In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to send email gift cards on iPhone. This is a quick and thoughtful way to share gifts, perfect for last-minute occasions. It's convenient, allowing you to send a personalized, digital card instantly from your phone. To do this, simply head to your App Store. Tap onto your profile icon. Select onto this option of Send Gift Card by Email. You will want to enter the email address of the recipient. Then enter your name right here. You can also write in something you wish to tell the recipient. Now select the amount you want to send in. Tap on Next to continue with the procedure. This seamless process combines speed with a personal touch, ideal for today's busy lifestyles. Well, that's how easy it is to send email gift cards on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.